Hi, everybody. Welcome to our first day of remote instruction for SOCI 380. It's Monday, the 23rd of March, 2020. First things first, I've got a teaching assistant for you to meet. Just a sec. This is, hang on, let me check. Yes, Asher. This is Asher. He's one of the Christmas kittens that we adopted in December. He has a twin brother named Spencer, who you will also meet at some point. And the only way we can tell them apart is that Asher, for some reason, only has half a tail. And, you know, we have no idea what the story is because we adopted them from the shelter. So anyway, meet your teaching assistant. So I have posted this video as well as a detailed set of lecture notes for you to read and review on your own at home. We will not be meeting in person, of course, for the rest of the semester, so it'll take a little while for us to get used to this new system. I'm just here right now to give you a little bit of a guide to the lecture notes. The overarching theme of this set of notes, today's set of notes, is the relationship between various forms of social inequality and deviance, including crime. And in fact, most of the information in this set of notes is about social inequality and crime. I think our teaching assistant needs a break. So I identify and provide you with some statistics about things like socioeconomic status, age, gender, and race as forms of inequality that shape our experiences of crime and deviance. And I also recognize that by providing stats, we have to be sort of skeptical of what those stats represent. They don't necessarily tell the full story. I also define hate crimes and talk a little bit about that, and also touch briefly on intersectionality because of all these different forms of inequality that we're going to be talking about this week. They don't necessarily affect our experiences of crime and deviance in isolation. Intersectionality means that the backpack of social statuses that we carry around with us work together to shape our experiences of the social world, and in this case, our experiences of crime and deviance, right? So gender and age and race and socioeconomic status and sexual orientation and disability status and immigration status, et cetera, all these forms of social status shape who we are and how we experience crime and deviance. I need to let the TA out of the room. Okay, these are all important issues for our society right now, even though we are all stuck at home. The pandemic has exacerbated many existing social problems in the United States, including things like socioeconomic inequality, but also the social problem of racism. In this case, hate crimes against people of Chinese ancestry or people who appear to others as if they are of Chinese ancestry. I'm going to stick a link to a news item about anti-Chinese American hate crimes into the transcript for this video. So if you want to check out that news item from the San Francisco Chronicle, I'll put it in the transcript for this video. It won't be in the lecture notes. It will be in the video transcript. So I'll provide some more notes on inequality and deviance on Wednesday. And also for Wednesday, I'm going to ask you to watch Ava DuVernay's documentary called 13th about race and mass incarceration in the United States. I have provided links for that on the revised syllabus. Let me know if you have any problems accessing it. Let me now talk a little bit about our exams and assignments going forward. First of all, our remaining exams will be open book and open note. You'll be completing them at home, and I have no interest whatsoever in making things harder for you than they already are. I will review all of the paper topic proposals sometime this week and get back to you with comments or suggestions if I haven't done so already. And as far as that final paper goes, again, I don't want you to have to worry any more than you are already worrying about your performance on the final paper or on this in this class in general. So please know that I get it. I get that we are in the eye of a shitstorm of global proportions. And we're just trying to muddle through school as best we can under these circumstances. Most of us have much bigger priorities right now, and I understand that. So, as far as any of the rest of the work for this class goes this semester, put something on paper, turn it in, and I will grade things with a sense of proportion based on the historical circumstances that we find ourselves in, I promise, okay? I'm also toying with the idea of an open video chat office hour every week that would provide the opportunity for a little bit of FaceTime for those who can fit it into their schedules and for those who feel like they might benefit from it. So let me know what you think about that when you check in via email, okay? All right, that's it for today. I will see you again on Wednesday. Everybody stay home and stay healthy, Huskies. All right, bye-bye.